Hello guys! Andito tayo ngayon sa Stromstad. Look, Stromstad. Stromstad, Sweden. Walang mga dahon ngayon. Dahil pa-spring na. Look at the sunset. Walaan nyo kung anong oras na. Ang oras na guys ay alas 8 ng gabi. Alas 8 na ng gabi. Pero look, it still have sunshine. Okay. Show me your phone that it's already 8 p.m. now. 8 p.m. Look, 8 p.m. 8 p.m. now. But the sun's still shining. 8 p.m. na. Pero parang tanghaling tapat pa rin. Diba guys? Tingnan mo, sun's para siyang hapon. Si Sir. Yan si Sir. Si Sir. Kausapin nga natin ng dayo dito. Sir, what is the time now here? Sir.
It's 8 p.m.
8 p.m. now? Why it still have sunshine? Sir. Can you answer, sir? Why it still have sunshine?
Because this is Scandinavia.
This is what?
This is Scandinavia.
Long day.
Mm.
It has a long day.
Especially in summer.
Summer. Kaya pala guys, sa summertime daw, kahit alas 10 na ng gabi, liwanag pa rin. Yan guys, palakad-lakad lang. Kaya mo na yan. Kasi ganyan sila. Dito guys, malamig pa rin guys. Yan mga sample houses. Yeah, look the sun with the house. Alas 8 na ng gabi, pero maliwanag pa rin guys dito sa Sweden. Okay guys, sa susunod naman tayo mag-vlog. Bye bye.